Hello students of standard 4th. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy at your home and enjoying your studies. DAV Mall Public School welcomes you all in E-class. Let's begin an online session of English. Myself, Renuka Seshawar, your English teacher. Our today's topic is Jungle Safari, Part 1. This chapter is taken from your English Reader, Unit number 2, Travel. And the name of the lesson is Jungle Safari. Yes. Before to start the lesson, I would like to ask some questions to you. Have you ever visited any national park or wildlife sanctuary? Yes. Which national park is this? This is Kanha National Park. Kanha Rashtriya Udyan. Okay. This is Kanha National Park. Yes. So have you ever visited any national park or wildlife sanctuary? Names of some national parks and animal sanctuaries are like Corbett National Park, which is situated in Uttarakhand, Bandhavgarh National Park, which is situated in Madhya Pradesh, and Gir Wildlife Sanctuary, which is situated in Gujarat. Okay, so today we are going to learn a lesson about Kanha National Park. Let's start. Yes. The writer is explained in this lesson his experience about a jungle safari when he was visited in Kanha National Park. He explained in his words that my excitement was at its peak. My excitement was at its peak. We were going to visit Kanha National Park, which provided setting for Rudyard Kipling's classic novel, The Jungle Book. We slept early that night so that we could get up early in the next morning. As the alarm rang, my sister and I jumped out of our beds and quickly started to get ready for one of our thrilling journey ever, a visit to Kanha National Park on a boat. This was the first time we were going to experience it and very thought infused zeal in me. Zeal, it means enthusiasm, right? So poet is saying that they were very excited to visit Kanha National Park and they slept early that night so that they could get up early in the next morning. And as alarm rang, the author and his sister jumped up out of their beds and quickly started to get ready for one of their thrilling journey ever, a visit to Kanha National Park. And how they are going on a boat. They are visiting there on a boat. This was the first time. This was the first time they were going to experience it and very thought infused zeal in them. As we approached the lake, as we approached the lake, the foggy weather didn't deter our spirits. The foggy weather didn't deter our spirits. There was an exclusive boat waiting for our family. Yes, there was an exclusive boat waiting for our family. We quickly hopped into the boat. We quickly hopped into the boat. While the mist unfolded over the waters of the vast artificial lake, I was mesmerized by the beauty of the nature around me. She said that The author is saying, when they approached the lake, the foggy weather didn't deter their spirits, their enthusiasm. There was an exclusive boat waiting for them, for their family. They quickly hopped into the boat, and while the mist unfolded over the waters of the vast artificial lake, they he was mesmerized by the beauty of the nature around him and around them. Soon the mist started clearing. Soon the mist started clearing, and I saw the colors of the lake waters turned from silver to golden, like this, as you have seen in this picture. Yes, when soon the mist started clearing, I saw the colors of the lake waters turn from silver to golden. The rays of sun kissed the waters which dazzled my eyes. The rays of sun kissed the waters which dazzled my eyes. Suddenly, I spotted a herd of sambar deer close to the lake waters. Their agility means swiftness, very quickly, very softly. Their agility and swiftness left me impressed as they disappeared into the forest hastily, very fastly, very quickly. Okay, when the rays of sun kissed the waters which dazzled my eyes, and suddenly I spotted a herd of sambar. Herd it means the group of deers. A group of deer. A herd of sambar deer close to the lake waters, and their agility and swiftness left me impressed as they disappeared into the forest hastily. So this is your part 1 jungle safari. Rest of the part we will see in next class, in our next lesson, next video. Till then, we will solve our today's assignment. These are some questions you will write in your notebook and solve. Answer the following question. Question number 1 is, what is the narrator excited about? For what the narrator excited? Number 2, how did the lake water turn from silver to golden? How did the lake water turn from silver to golden? These all questions you will solve in your notebook. Write down the question and after that their answer. We will see you its next part in next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.